Afternoon guys, Lee from Source. Just another quick Source Sounds video showing this KENWOOD DMX5020DABS that we fitted into this 2012 Ford Kuga. So you can see from the screen there that the unit's got DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, we've got Bluetooth, we've got Bluetooth streaming, USB connection for music sticks, along with normal FM radio. In the glove box we've fitted the USB cable for the customer, just so it's out of the way. So here the customer will plug in their iPhone or Android phone, and then it will give them Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity along with charging of the phone. On this vehicle we have also fitted a reverse camera, so if I just pop it into reverse, there you can see the reverse camera with the grid lines. Now if you don't like the grid lines can be removed on the screen, so you can turn them off. And then also on the vehicle, most Fords, they've got this steering wheel controls. I'll just show you there. So we've got the volume controls up and down, and that is obviously adjusting the volume on the screen. So we've kept those features along with the mode and the track up and down buttons. Thank you for watching. Any more information, please give Source Sounds a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.